Okay, guys, we're back at the camera. All right, start. Oh, shit, it's gonna be loud. Go for it. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Put the light out. You can't see that.
It's gonna blow. Woo! Woo, woo! Look at that. Oh! Oh my god. I thought it was just gonna like fly. Oh!
Ta-da.
Oh! Sounds like smoke. Sorry, it's not really that well, you know. Oh my god. Will the last one fly?
Video?
Yeah, it's on video with the camera. With the flashlight. God, it smells like burnt popcorn.
Right, back up.
I'm gonna back up. Go! Back up, back up, back up! You gonna fly for this one? Woo! Why aren't some of them flying? Oh my god.
Cool.
That's cool.
I'm gonna send it to mommy.
Okay, that was a good video, y'all. I hope you liked it. I mean, we can only
Tomorrow.
we'll probably do another one tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see you in the tomorrow video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Dad, say bye to the video.
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe.